Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys have had a fabulous week so far. Today we are going to be making a masterboard. So we're going to do a collage of different bits and pieces, and from the masterboard we are going to create some faux vintage postcards. Yes, but with the same technique, guys. You can make cards, you can make tags, you can do any different variation. Keep watching, guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Sorry about the glare there, but I can't help it because I've got a really big, strong white lighting, and every time I've got something plasticky, unfortunately does that, but it's gonna go in a minute. So today, oh guys, it's warm. Just had some lunch and I had a coffee. And then I came up here now, so I'm excited for this afternoon crafty session. So guys, what I wanted to do today, I wanted to make some faux postcards. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, if you're not, hello and welcome to my channel. I've made, in the last couple of years, I enjoy making this sort of type of postcards where the front is like this and then the back, they look like a proper postcard. Now, this was a mistake because that should have been there. But hey ho, we all make mistakes, don't we? So traditionally, in other videos that I have shared, and then if you go on my channel and you type postcards, you see all these videos. I have used real vintage postcards here from the back. So this is a stencil. So I made these postcards. They are reflecting the true size of postcards. So the front, you've got some pictures, some ephemera collages, and I found this in an antique market. This is a proper old vintage photos holder that I don't think anybody nowadays still print photos. Do you guys do? I must admit I don't, but what I have a folder on my laptop that put all pictures there, because sometimes, especially with my phone, I tend to delete them because on your phone excuse me, you can, although I have a big memory, I can't really store a lot of things, so I tend to put them into this folder, and then I think I need to go back and start printing them because it's so nice. I really enjoy now looking at this. Anyway, so yeah, sometimes I can be very melancholic, but yeah. So let's make some faux vintage postcards, but I don't want to make what I just showed you. I don't want to make a really nice picture on the front and the postcard on the back. I want to make the starting point will be a masterboard. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have a little play and I'm gonna create a couple of collages, and I'll show you before we cut them, and then I'm gonna turn around and then very randomly I'm gonna cut into strips, but I'll show you because I think it's easier if I show you. What I wanted to showcase today is one of my favorite kits called Letters from the Attic, and the reason why I picked this digital papers I have designed is because I think it goes really well with the theme. So I'm going to show you the paper. So you've got 11 pages and you've got a background of like letters, envelopes, a machine. These are true vintage letters, just to call out everything to do with writing letters to a friend or your lover or a member of your family. So yeah, in fact, I want to show you something. Actually, I got this set. This is brass. It weighs a ton. It's so heavy, like I could literally barely lift it. So let me show you. Oh my god, it's so heavy. So original brass. This is the guy in the market or this vintage market said that it's Victorian. So it's an original writing set. So on here you have your little pot where they put the ink, and I can't tell you the smell of it. It smells like vintage, which is not a smell, but it smells like, I don't know, I can't describe. It's a really nice smell. Something that has been worn and it's got memories, got history. So I got this writing set, and I got it on the towards the end of my desk where I got my computer. So it's so heavy. But I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I need to have it. Now I don't think this is original. I mean, this is probably like a normal, yeah, although it says made in England. But what I want to buy, and I saw them, one of the lady, a craft lady that I follow, she showcased it, and I need to ask her because I don't think I have tried it on Amazon UK, but I can't find it. So if you guys know where I can buy them, please let me know. So they're basically pen like this one, but the end it's got this bit here. I don't know how you call this in English. So basically it's like a normal pen with the ink, but the end it's got this little tip, and then you can just still close it. It's just like literally like this pen, same thing, same, like open up and there is the ink in there, and then at the end it's got that. And when you write, it's got a really nice tip, and it's gorgeous. And I can't find it, to be fair. I don't even know what I'm typing, so I thought this is a really nice writing set. I'm obsessed with you probably could tell that everything that is like vintage and it's got history. So this kit is really me. It reminds me of somebody that it's used this sort of ink set and wrote love letters to somebody that was far away. And yeah, sorry, I'm on this very romantic mood today. I don't know why. I've done my gym exercise today because I lift that several times. So sorry, I was to show you the kit. And this is when I designed this page. This is what I was thinking of that writing set. Yeah, it's like that. The pen is like that. Of course, there isn't a feather. Although I did see some companies sell pens like that, which is very extra. Which I might go for that. Right, Antonio, come on, you're not done anything. So you've got a page with all this really nice initials letter, which we'll probably use today. And then another page with London Bridge. And then there are some, I don't know if you can see it, but it's layered with some postcard on the bottom, on the bottom underneath. A couple of envelopes. And then a scallop envelope. And then, of course, I gave you some tags that you can play with. Another page with tags. And then a gift box. When I design my kit, I always trying to give you as much as possible a variety of things that you can use for like gift boxes, cards background, normal background, embellishments, and so on. So I'm definitely going to use that. So I'm going to use some of these pages. What I thought I'll use, I've got these, I don't know if you can see it. Move this out of the way and give me a white ground there. Perfect. Ta-da! 3 hours later, we got there eventually. So this, I think it's from a magazine. Can't remember which magazine. I got this for absolutely ages. I used some of this already, so I will use some of these stamps to make my couple of pages even more vintagey. Look at that, it's very, very pretty. Then I'm going to use this one, which I think is kind of part of the same theme. So very vintagey, very Victorian. Lady, a polite or formal way of referring to a woman of good social position. Lords and ladies were once entertained at the house. Gentleman, chivalrous, can't read that, courteous or honourable man. He behaved throughout like a perfect gentleman. a polite or formal way to referring to a man. So that, and then what I thought I used, this is on sale now, my website is 99p, part of my 99p kits. It's a collection of original postcards. What I've done with this, guys, I scanned them, I shrunk them and put it all together. So I'm definitely going to use some of this today as well. So you've got 7 pages in total. They're original. So what I did, each page you got front and back. So that is the front of that, that's the front of that, etc. So what I thought, you can cut them and glue them together. So you've got really nice mini postcards. They're really cute, nice ephemera embellishment, I think. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Definitely gonna use that. And then I'm going to use this stencil, which I had it for absolutely ages. I don't know the brand, but I think it's that one. Any more information? darkroomdoor.com. I don't know. And then I'm definitely going to use some of these stamps I got from different brands from postcards. So I'll definitely use them. And then I want to finish this because I had them forever. These are the Tim Holtz tickets. So when I can, I try to use them because I have them forever. And they're not cheap. They're actually quite expensive. And I stopped buying these things because I can't justify the price. I have them for a couple of years and I don't really use them a lot. So I'm trying to use them up. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do a collage, do a couple of pages, and then we're going to cut them together. Okay, guys, so let me show you the 2 pages. So this is one. On here, you can see a lot of stamps, different layers, and the tickets, the postcard, ticket there. So because it's the same theme, so I picked up the writing, handmade, lettering, ticketing, postcard, letters thing. It's all blends together. So look at the detail there. Because all the stamp images go really well together. And then you can see here, I picked up the letter with love. But of course, this is going to be cut. But don't worry, because it's all going to be random. It's all going to be nice and interesting. But yeah, stamp a lot of different things. Postage only. And this is the second one, which is my favorite, I think. On top, you can probably see the very big, this one here. A very big stencil with the handwriting, and then again the letters, the postcards, the tickets, again all matches together. Now you can leave it like that, but I want to cut them, but I don't want to be distracted by how things have been put together. So I'm just going to turn it over and then I'm just going to cut it in half and then in half again. So these measure, let's have a look. So that's literally a little bit less than 8, so I'm gonna cut at 4. 4, 4, 4. Okay, and then this is almost 11, so just gonna cut at 5 and a half, 5 and a half, and I'm gonna do the same on here. 5 and a half, and I'll do exactly the same on this side with this paper. So 11, so that's 5 and a half. Oopsie daisy. And then this one, oh, this is less. Oh, well, I'm still gonna do 4, although they won't be perfectly the same, but who cares? We are crafting, we're just having fun. What am I gonna do? Because this is not straight and it's bugging me a bit. It's better. So what's that now? So 7 3/4. Just gonna cut it there. Okay, so let me put the trimmer away. Are we ready? Let's see what we've done. Yeah, love that. Perfect with my initial. Love that. Yeah, this works. This works too. So I've got a B over an, I've got an R and I've got a B over C. Yeah, this works too. We've got a big postcard in the middle. This way? This way. Don't know. But yeah, probably this way is a bit nicer. And then we've got OVE. It doesn't matter, guys. We're just having fun. And then, oh, love these. I think those two are my favorites. This one here and that one there. And this works as well. I think the only random one is probably this one, but there isn't any interesting part of it. But yeah, so again, guys, just a little bit of collaging, creating masterboards and cut it. So what you can do, instead of making postcards like I did, I think I'd probably have to trim it a little bit because I don't know if they're gonna fit. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. They're gonna fit. Perfect. What you can do, instead of cutting postcards, you can cut tags. So do you know when I cut in a half and in a half again, you can cut into strips and then you create your tag. So just this is just a nice little idea. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Everything I have used today will be linked down below if you guys want to purchase the postcard 99p kit and also the letters from the attic. Special thank you today goes to lovely Michelle Flynn, which Michelle is part of my VIP members. She joined the VIP lounge last year. She's very active with me and we send an email. So I really like Michelle, and I'm hope I am fortunate enough to call it a crafty friend. And Michelle left a comment which I put on the screen now. Michelle said that she's vintage as well because she gets photographs developed from negatives, and that is the comment when we made we used these on the video when we used this film strips to make Faux vintage strips. So but again, this is very vintagey as well. So shout out to Michelle. Thank you, Michelle, for all your lovely emails. And also Michelle designed some freebies for us as well on the Facebook group. So Michelle is very active. Thank you, Michelle, for what you do. Hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, big thumbs up. It's always much appreciated. Guys, I will put a couple of links on the screen now. One when we did more vintage inspired postcards, and another one where we did together a vintage postcard holder. It's a little ephemera treat where you can put all your ephemera together and it will stand up as his own, or you can put in your journals as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.